Hi, it's your buddy Buzz. It snowed here in Michigan. You see some deer tracks here already. But I want to show you the hive entrances are all closed by snow. So here's the line. Here's the tracks right here for the hives. Here's the line we got hammered. Here's my first hive. And look at that. Look at that entrance is closed, but you can see it's been melting away. I guess there's a bee right there. There's a kid. Right here on my boat. And I'm going to get a tool to clean all those. So that's my project for right now. And then I actually brought a little stethoscope with me. I'm gonna listen to a couple of them, see if I can hum, but carefully not disturb them. So, anyway, this is Michigan after a little bit of snow. Good times, good times. Take care, y'all.